Hello, my name is Swirlio. Today I will be teaching you how to make a 2D adventure game using Eclipse IDE. First things first, let's talk about key concepts you require for this tutorial. Patience is very important because coding can cause frustration when it doesn't go when you like it or there's a bug you can't fix, but when you're patient, things work out. You also need to be brave to explore and learn new coding languages. For this tutorial you need to know some Java, like what classes and packages are, lists, strings, variable, etc. Now let's go through our game plan. We need to first create a simple setup, screen size, FPS, and a frame. We need to display the player, control player, key input, display tiles, display objects, add enemies, store and coin system, and more. Now let's get started. First let's create a package called main, and then create a class called main since they're both the main sources. This is the class where the main functions will start. First we must set a width and height for the panel. The width is 800 pixels and the height is 600 pixels. "16 times 50 is 800 and 4 times 150 is 600. This will make the console say starting game when the screen is starting. The reason why game window will be an error is because it's not a class yet, but the glitch will be gone when we add it later. Adventure game will be the title of the window, what you see on top. Now we'll start the code for the game window. The game loop and the size of frame will be in here. The reason why game panel appears as an error is because it is a class we'll add in the future, like the game window error that is now fixed. These frame and panel code will show the title and the width and height of the frame. This is where I'll continue adding more frame code until I revise the panel error. This will make the window close when exit is cleared. A major glitch happens here because I accident did a colon instead of semicolon, which is an error a lot of coders make. Those errors will fix as I add the code in the game panel. In the Game panel, we will add the FPS and implement the J panel. The FPS will have 9 zeros including a decimal with an extra 0 to let it float. Now will come the complex part to pay attention. One more function, and this should make a black screen when play is clicked. Everything is done now. Hooray! Time for the moment of truth. It worked. All of that code just made this. Next up, add key input and more game loops.